Here's something I wanted to show you. Mr. Carpenter's building another fabulous log cabin birdhouse. Don't have the top on yet. This is the second one, only this one's designed different. It has fancy windows in it there. Now this is all made out of wood pallets. And here's the little door. Isn't that something? So you can put feed out here and inside. They leave the door open for them to go in there. And it even has lights on in it. I don't know how to, let's see, I don't know how to turn it on here. Maybe this is the way. Yeah, there's the lights. It has lights in it. Isn't that something? Some birdhouse. It's what you can. It's really something what you can do when you have talent to do it. That's what you call a DIY project. Do it yourself. There's a little light right there. Of course, it's not finished, so has a little table down in there. Chairs. Has windows on this side. Let's go around, back around here. Hope it don't make you dizzy. And has bunk beds in it there. See the bunk beds? Has little bunk beds. Ladder going up there. Well, that is really something. That is really cool. Mr. Carpenter's second birdhouse under construction, ready for the birds for the winter months. So that's just another little thing we wanted to throw in there. We'll go out and take a look at a hitch. Let's see. Yeah, we might go out and take a look at a hitch Mr. Carpenter, Mr. Dan put on. Trailer hitch on a Jeep. Okay, let's see how Mr. Carpenter's coming along here with birdhouse number 2. Birdhouse number 2 is coming along pretty good, but this is a very slow process. Here's the wiring for the lights in the birdhouse. Got the birds have their own breaker box here, 110, and a little door to get into the attic there to work on the lights. And well, I'll tell you, that's some birdhouse. Look at that. Look at that door back in there. That door opens and has a porch light. Yes, it has a porch light. And right here's a remote control. You can control everything. And there's a little light on the outside there. Oh, look in there. Look in there. Isn't that something? Somebody's actually sitting at the table waiting for supper, and before long it'll be the birds. Bunk beds back in there. Yes, they have bunk beds. Boy, isn't that something. How would you like to own one of these birdhouses? Well, get a hold of Mr. Carpenter. This is a little log cabin that's made completely out of pallet wood. And it's really something. Let's get down here and see if we can see back in the door here. Wow, looky back in there. Man sitting there at the table. Hey, get me some supper here. I want my supper and I want it now. I don't want to wait no longer. Before long, the birdies will be going in there to eat. Yep, they sure will. Boy, that is something. The second birdhouse Mr. Carpenter produced here, with its own remote control lights and everything. Really, really something. Okay, let's turn the lights out here with the remote control, and we'll keep you updated on the fancy birdhouses Mr. Carpenter's building out of wood pallets. And this is what you call a real do-it-yourself project. So stay tuned for more. Here's another shot of the little bird feeder with the roof coming together on it. And looking better all the time. Shingles goes on next. Really a good show here from Mr. Carpenter. Well, here's the final bird feeder product. Almost completely finished. I think he has to put, he wants to put a porch on it somewhere, so let's see what it looks like here. It has a remote control with lights in there. Shingle roof is on. Also has a chimney, fireplace that actually smokes. Has a little stove in there. Table, chairs, man sitting there at the table, bunk beds. Some 21st century bird feeder, I'll tell you. Here's the end of it. Little door back in there. Let's see here if we can get the door open and look in there once more. A little light up here, porch light. Bunk beds back in there. Man sitting at the table. Really amazing, I'll tell you. Really some little bird feeder. Let's see what all the lights do here. I'm not sure. There you can dim the lights. Turn them off and on with your remote control. Power box. Opening to get in the attic. Oh boy, really something, isn't it? This is the other side of the bird feeder. And then there's a little ladder there. It goes up in the loft. Really something. I just know Mr. Carpenter ought to start selling these dudes, made out of wood pallets. And let's see if we can go back over and get a view of the little stove in there. Yes, they're made out of wood pallets. I don't know whether you can see the little stove in there or not, but it has a little broom sitting there, made out of end tops of zebra grass. Yes, it's really something. The 21st century bird feeder. That's what I call it. And there you have it.